Hey, Bold Inventors, entrepreneurs, business owners. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Welcome to our Virginia Beach page. We're here for you, inventing and entrepreneuring out there in Virginia Beach. I'm here to point out the top 5 resources for you, the startup entrepreneur inventor that wants to make a difference and launch your company right here in Virginia Beach. I've got the top 5 as of right here, mid-year 2025 for you. So number 1, without further ado, the Hive. That's H-I-V-E. That's the VB Business Resource Center. This is the flagship resource hub. It's hosted by the city of Virginia Beach. It's one-on-one consulting, one-on-one mentorship. It doesn't get better than that. They offer training programs, procurement support, capital formation guidance. It's awesome. A really notable startup that launched out of there is Uplift. They're a Virginia Beach economic uplift. They're an 8-week fellowship for specifically minority women and veteran-owned businesses. So that accelerator came out of the Hive. It's pretty amazing. So that's number 2, as you can imagine. Check out the Virginia Beach Bio Accelerator. The Bio Accelerator is at the Convergence Center 2. They offer 5,700 square feet of lab space, tons of support. Life science startups, biotech startups. You got to go check out the Virginia Beach Bio Accelerator. Lots of R&D, support, mentorship, and there's no specific alumni from that organization yet, but check out the Virginia Beach Bio Accelerator. Number 3, Scale Up USA. This is the Federal Business Accelerator at the Hive, so it's also part of the Hive. But this is with the Scale Up. And the program supports new and existing businesses, particularly those aiming to go for federal contracting, whether it be through governments, military, different distribution channels. They can actually match make and get you grants and loans from the SBIR, Small Business Association Network. All right, so let's look at number 4 here. This is the EWOR, the EWOR Fellowship here in Virginia Beach. It's a virtual accelerator. So you do not have to come in person. It's a global remote first startup fellowship. It offers $500K initial funding. They've got tailored mentoring network. You have to apply for this. If you get in, it will allow up to $1 million in initial funding. It's got to be VB based founder. So check it out. Number 5, this is Virginia Accelerator Network. This is the VAN. It's a statewide consortium of nonprofit support organizations connecting entrepreneurs across Virginia, of course, including VB, with mentors, capital programs, and statewide startup events. Please do check out the SBDC as well. This is the Small Business Development Center. I advise almost all of our inventor clients to go check out. It's a free SBA-backed mentorship program where a lot of executives will leave the company, they're retiring, whatever it is. They still have a lot of mental fortitude. They have a lot of energy and want to help out companies, and it could be yours. So check out SBDC. That's the Small Business Development Center. As part of this VAN, the Virginia Accelerator Network. Again, as you start to develop relationships and get involved with any one of these entities, I highly suggest you use a non-disclosure agreement crafted by a Virginia licensed business attorney. Make sure you're protecting yourself. You don't want to give up your intellectual property or lose control of those rights. If you do get a chance, please visit our website, boldpatents.com. I think you're there right now. And please book a free discovery call to learn how to protect your patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets right here within your own business. Virginia Beach is a wonderful place. Got a great opportunity here. So these 5 are my top. Please do visit us on our contact page. Schedule that free discovery call. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.